Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell Toncoin from Tonkeeper. So the first step you need to do is to open Tonkeeper. So once you open, click on buy and sell and click on sell. So let's suppose I want to sell my Ton. So select, so sell with this one. So this is an example. So you need to follow this step to sell your Ton coin. So here you need to add your Ton and you got 300 USD. So I want to sell my Ton coin, and then you need to click on sell. Here you need to add the email and click on continue. Once you done that, your Ton coin will be sold. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.